My name is Lazarus. I'm very happy to be a participant in this session. This session, which is called leadership, it is very, very important to us like educators. So because we are educating future people, future leaders, so we have to help them to be a good leader, good future leaders as we are. So even if it can be complicated because our kids are coming from different families with different problems, but we have to do our best in order to change their mindset. Before changing them, we have to be changed also our mindset. So we have to do as much as possible. We have to go down with them in order to help them to be the good future leaders. Now, a leader is the one who help those people, like learners, like peoples, to be in a good way, to be a good people in the society, to help societies. That is why this session is very important to us, like teachers, and we are very happy to be with you and would like you to come again in order to help us, because now we've said or we have seen that changes comes from different or from small thing. From little you have to be the big one. As the example of Korea have been colonized by Japanese, but after changing their mind, now Korea is among the country on the world which is very rich. So Adonai Smart Academy teachers which are working there, we have to do our best in order to change Adonai. We have to do our best in order to change our district. We have to do our best in order to change all our country. We have to do our best in order to change the world. So we are very happy to be with you, and we are ready for listening to the next session. But for this one, it is very important. It is very important for us. Thank you very much.